In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom background on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open the Zoom app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once Zoom is open, what you want to do is tap on New Meeting or Start a Meeting, and just start the meeting normally. Now, when the meeting starts, the next thing you want to do is tap on the person icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you tap on that, you'll see an option called Background. So just tap on Background. Now here, you'll see a list of available backgrounds, and you can simply tap on any background you want, and as soon as you select it, your background will change immediately. Now, if you see the background applied behind you, that means it's working, and everyone in the meeting will be able to see it. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Zoom background on iPhone. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.